Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Series. So this is YouTube video from we have uploaded this video 6 days ago, and we did this analysis. Although you guys are not making too much likes here, but we are doing our job. All right. So we are telling you the right things. So market was at this resistance, and we were hoping that it will go eventually test this support, and from here, definitely if it will what we have told you that it is going to hit this green zone. All right, so we will see what is happening right now in the market. I will take you to the live chart, and further analysis we will do from there. All right, so here it is. This is a live chart in front of you. So market was here at that point. So when we have made this video, we made the last video, and we were telling you that the market will go and hit this green zone. So this is a good zone. You should have made everyone should have made some buying at this point. This is not a normal spot, so we are hoping that you guys have made some purchases at this point, because if it holds, it can go start higher, rising higher. But the other scenario, every trader should be ready for the second scenario as well, and we will tell you that as well. So according to us, we have told you that the most probably it will go and hit this blue zone, and from here it will make everything, this will be everything a market needed to go and make a new all-time high, and this will be a really big and fascinating move from here. So this could happen. This is what we are thinking right now, that market could actually hit this blue zone. Okay, so but there are possibilities. This is what we think, and the other scenario could be that the market from here start rising higher, and test this resistance again, and it will eventually flip it and then go start rising higher. So this is another scenario and case, and we are looking at it very closely. So we will update you timely, and everyone should be aware of that, and everyone should be making smart choices and smart moves. The market was is the new year, and the holiday season. You see this, this is expected normally. Just look at this. This is 24th December, and the market is showing the exact historical moves that it used to show, because there is a lot of, the volume is no more, and the market normally goes through this thing, lower low, lower high, and now we are at the good support. Make some purchase here, and eventually market will rise from here, and we are hoping that if this support doesn't hold well, then the next target for us would be this one, and it could actually come close to this and start rising higher. But this is the area we are hoping the market, if it doesn't hold, the market could come into this area and start rising, and this is going to be the perfect entry zone for us into the Bitcoin and into the all other altcoins as well. Okay, we'll conclude this video, and if you have any suggestions and comments, and we have 50% discount, flat 50% discount in our Discord going on. Start join, you can join till 6th of January, and this session or this discount code will expire on 6th of January. All right, thank you very much for your time, guys.